Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find and manage your archived chats on Telegram using the latest July 2022 updates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to archive a chat, how to access archived conversations, and how to bring any chat back into your main list whenever you need it. This is perfect if you've ever wanted to tidy up your Telegram inbox, hide old conversations without deleting them, or just clear some mental clutter. Let's get started. First up, open your Telegram app. This might seem basic, but make sure you're running the latest version. Telegram updates can change how things look and work, so double-check that you're not missing any new features. Once you're in, you'll see your main chat list. If you have a lot of conversations, don't worry, Telegram makes it pretty easy to organize them. Next, pick a contact whose chat you want to archive. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific person. Think about chats you don't need to see every day but still want to keep safe, like old group discussions or that friend you only talk to once in a while. Select the chat by clicking into it. Now try sending a quick message. You don't actually have to type anything if you're just learning for practice, but this step is useful because it brings the chat up as active if it's not already. The key bit here is having the chat open so you can access its profile image. Once you've done that, take your mouse and right-click on the contact's profile image. This is usually in the top left corner of your chat window. If you're on mobile, you might need to tap and hold the profile picture instead. This action opens up a menu with more options. Right-clicking can feel a bit unintuitive if you're more used to tapping or swiping, but don't worry, Telegram's desktop and mobile versions handle this similarly. Just be gentle and patient if it doesn't pop up right away. From the menu, click Archive. What does this actually do? Well, archiving a chat hides it from your main chat list, moving it to a separate section so things look less cluttered. It's like packing away winter clothes, not gone forever, just out of sight until you need them. Once you archive the chat, you'll notice the contact's profile icon changing. It now signifies that it's an archived chat. That visual cue is super helpful, especially if you're a visual learner or you're organizing lots of chats. If you want to unarchive a chat, maybe the conversation has become active again, just select that profile icon. You'll see the chat pop up in your archived list or section. Click or tap the icon one more time and now select Unarchive. This brings the chat back into your regular chat feed as if it never left. You can do this with any number of archived chats, so your Telegram stays organized no matter how many messages come in. And there you have it. Archiving and unarchiving chats is a smooth way to keep your Telegram tidy and stress-free. If something didn't work right away or a menu not in the spot you expected, remember, Telegram updates sometimes move things around, so a little patience goes a long way. If this helped you clear up your inbox or you learned something new about Telegram, give this video a thumbs up. Got questions or need help with a particular step? Drop them in the comments below. I always read and reply to as many as I can. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want more quick tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.